Hello guys, and welcome to a Waste Free World YouTube channel and a Waste Free World online shop. It is a beautiful day, as you can see, here in England, and today we are going to be talking about razors and plastic-free alternatives. In the US alone, they use 2 billion plastic razors each year, and per person we can use up to 24 of them in any 12-month period. They are riddled with plastic. Not only the top, but the blades, but the base, and then also a plastic cover. There is so much non-recyclable plastic in these plastic razors. It is time to ditch the plastic razors and swap to an eco-friendly alternative, bringing it back to the old school days with the amazing Satefy razor. So this product that we have on wastefreeworld.com is a bamboo Satefy razor. So I'm just going to talk to you more about the product and show you exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, all of the packaging and what's included in the razor is basically just the razor itself and the blade that goes in the razor. No plastic, compostable packaging, cardboard, bamboo Satefy razor, completely metal. So for some reason, people think Satefy razors are scary and that they're gonna hurt you. I'm not really sure why. I think maybe because the way it looks, it doesn't look like the razors that we're now used to. However, these Satefy razors have been used for hundreds and hundreds of years. They're actually still used in some barbers today. All you do with a Satefy razor is you buy these recyclable blades, which look a little something like that. And you basically just put them onto the razor and you use them until you need to swap the blades, and then you just swap the blade. You will keep this razor for life. You will never need to buy another razor ever again. And that leads us on to price. This razor is £20. This razor will last you forever. A pack of these razors costs you about £5. And if you look at the official statistics of how many razors we use, you're going to be wanting to buy 24 of them. I don't know how much that is, but that is way more. A one-time purchase of £20 for this amazing Satefy razor. Not only is it saving you money and it is also an amazing shave. This is the closest shave I've ever had. You use it just like you use any other. However, if you are interested in a more instructional video on how to use it, I will link one below. However, it's very easy. Use it just as normal, and it gives you a much better shave. There really is nothing else to say about the Satefy razor. It is one of my favourite plastic-free products, and I honestly don't know why everyone has not made the switch to Satefy razor yet. If you haven't, you can buy one on wastefreeworld.com and you can ditch using these plastic razors ever again.